Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring how advanced laser technology is transforming the construction and building maintenance industry. From enhancing precision in construction projects to streamlining facility maintenance, lasers are playing a crucial role in modernizing these fields. Stay tuned to learn about the innovative applications, real-world benefits, and why lasers are essential for efficient and sustainable building management. Laser technology has become a cornerstone in construction and building maintenance, offering unmatched accuracy and efficiency. In construction, lasers are used for tasks ranging from land surveying to precise cutting and welding of materials. In building maintenance, lasers provide non-invasive solutions for cleaning, inspection, and restoration, ensuring buildings remain in optimal condition. Applications of laser technology. 1. Construction. Lasers are used in land surveying to create accurate topographical maps and ensure precise measurements. This is critical for planning and executing construction projects with high accuracy. In construction, lasers are employed for cutting and welding materials, such as steel and concrete. The precision of laser cutting ensures that materials are cut to exact specifications, reducing waste and improving the quality of construction. Laser levels are essential tools in construction, helping to ensure structures are perfectly aligned and leveled. This technology enhances the accuracy of foundations, walls, and other structural elements. 2. Building maintenance. Lasers offer a non-invasive method for cleaning building exteriors and interiors. This includes removing graffiti, rust, and other contaminants without damaging the underlying materials. Laser scanners are used to inspect building structures for cracks, deformations, and other issues. This allows for early detection of problems and timely maintenance, ensuring the safety and longevity of buildings. In historical building restoration, lasers provide a precise and gentle method for cleaning and repairing delicate surfaces, preserving the integrity of heritage sites. Real-world examples. 1. Construction projects. In the construction of a new skyscraper, laser technology was used for everything from initial land surveying to the precise cutting of steel beams. The accuracy of laser tools ensured the building met stringent safety and quality standards, reducing construction time and costs. Laser levels and alignment tools were employed in the construction of a major bridge. These tools ensured that the bridge components were perfectly aligned, contributing to the structural integrity and safety of the finished project. 2. Building maintenance. A city implemented laser cleaning technology to remove graffiti from public buildings. The non-invasive process preserved the building materials while effectively removing all traces of graffiti, improving the appearance of the city. In a project to restore a historic cathedral, lasers were used to clean the stone facade and intricate carvings. The laser cleaning process revealed the original beauty of the structure without causing any damage to the delicate stonework. Benefits of laser technology. 1. Enhanced precision. Lasers provide unmatched precision in both construction and maintenance tasks. This precision ensures high-quality results, whether it's cutting materials to exact specifications or cleaning surfaces without damage. 2. Increased efficiency. Laser technology speeds up various processes, from surveying land to inspecting building structures. This increased efficiency reduces project timelines and maintenance downtime, leading to cost savings. 3. Non-invasive solutions. Laser cleaning and inspection methods are non-invasive, meaning they do not harm the underlying materials. This is especially important in maintenance tasks, where preserving the integrity of the building is crucial. 4. Sustainability. Lasers reduce the need for chemicals and other consumables in cleaning and maintenance, promoting eco-friendly practices. Additionally, the precision of laser cutting reduces material waste in construction. Studies have shown that laser-guided construction can reduce project timelines by up to 20% and material waste by 15%. In building maintenance, laser cleaning has been shown to reduce maintenance costs by 25% and improve the longevity of building materials by 30%. Laser technology is revolutionizing the construction and building maintenance industries by providing precise, efficient, and sustainable solutions. From ensuring the structural integrity of new buildings to preserving the beauty of historical sites, lasers are essential tools for modern facility management. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into cutting-edge technologies.